Now we are going to start unit number 5. In unit number 5 there is a story by name Funny Bunny. So do you know what is meant by bunny? Yes, rabbit is called bunny. But how is that bunny? It is very funny. This bunny is very funny. So now we are going to start this story. At first I will read the story and then I will explain it. One day, a nut fell on Funny Bunny. Ouch! The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I must tell the king. On the way, he made Henny Penny. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. I will come too, said Henny Penny. And off they went to find the king. Soon they met Cocky Locky. Now see the next page. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. I will come too, said Cocky Locky. And off they went to find the king. On the way, they met Lucky Ducky. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. I will come too, said Lucky Ducky. And off they went to find the king. On the way, they met Pussy Pussy. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. I will come too, said Pussy Pussy. And off they went to find the king. On the way, they met Foxy Foxy. The sky is going to fall, they all said. We are going to tell the king. The king lives here, said Foxy Foxy. Follow me. And that was the end of Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky and Pussy Pussy. Now I will explain the story. So total there are 6 animals in the story. Yes? So now we will start the story. One day a nut fell on Funny Bunny. What happened one day? One day a nut fell. A nut. See, here is the tree of nut. From that tree a nut fall on Funny Bunny. You can see here nut. It is falling on the head of Funny Bunny. So one day what happened? Funny Bunny was sitting under the tree and a nut fell on Funny Bunny's head. Next what happened? Funny Bunny said, ouch! The sky is going to fall. Funny Bunny thought that the sky is going to fall on his head. I must tell the king. Funny Bunny thought that the sky is going to fall, so I must tell it to the king. So I should go to the king and I should tell him the sky is going to fall. On the way, so when Funny Bunny was going to the king, on the way he met Henny Penny. On the way, Funny Bunny met to Henny Penny. Hence, name of the hen is called Henny Penny. Here, rabbit is called Funny Bunny. So like that, this hen is called Henny Penny. You can see here Henny Penny. Henny sky is going to fall. This rabbit is saying to this henny, the sky is going to fall. I am going to tell it to the king. Now I am going to tell the king. Then this henny penny also said, I will come too. I will also come with you. Now together of them, both of them together, and off they went to find the king. And together of them they both went to find the king. Soon they met Cocky Locky. So when Funny Bunny and Henny Penny were going to the king, on the way again they met to a cock. And the name of the cock is here Cocky Locky. Here you can see cock, hen. Yes, the sky is going to fall. Both of them they are saying to cock, the sky is going to fall. Said Funny Bunny, I am going to tell the king. Funny Bunny said the sky is going to fall and that I want to tell it to the king. So we are going together. Then this Cocky Locky also said, I will come too. Cocky Locky also said, I will also come with you. So again, three of them they are going to the king. Who are they? Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky. Three together they are going to the king. And off they went to find the king. On the way, they met Lucky Ducky. This is Lucky Ducky. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. Again, to that duck also, Funny Bunny said, the sky is going to fall and I am going to tell the king. So now this duck also said, Lucky Ducky, he also said that, I will also come with you. So now how many are there? Four. Four of them. Which one? Who are they? Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky and Lucky Ducky. Four of them are going to the king. Again on the way they met Goose. I will come to say Lucky Ducky, and off they went to find the king. On the way they met Pussy Goosey. This is Goose. The name of this goose is called Pussy Goosey. The sky is going to fall. Again Funny Bunny said to Pussy Goosey, the sky is going to fall and I am going to tell the king. Again Pussy Goosey also said, I will come too. I will also come with you. So now how many are they? Five are they. Who are they? First one, Funny Bunny. Then Henny Penny. Yes, Cocky Locky, then Lucky Ducky and Pussy Goosey. Five of them are going to the king. On the way they met Woxy Foxy. Now the last animal they met. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five of them they are going, and on the way they met Woxy Foxy. And we know that fox is very what we say, fox is not a good animal. He is always cheating others. The sky is going to fall. They all said to this Woxy Foxy, the sky is going to fall and we are going to tell the king. All of them they said to Woxy Foxy, the king lives here, said Woxy Foxy. Then Woxy Foxy thought that these animals are going to the king, and if I take them to the king, king will eat them. So before king, I will eat them. So this fox said that here lives the king in this cave. The king lives here, said Woxy Foxy. Follow me. Follow means come with me. Woxy Foxy said that yes, I know where the king is living. So I will show you the house of king. So they went with him. And that was the end of Funny Bunny. And that was the end of Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky and Pussy Goosey. Why it was the end of their lives? Because when they went with Woxy Foxy ate them. So Woxy Foxy ate all of them, and that was the end of these all animals. So here are the new words of this story. Nut, ouch, mat, I am. of. We are. So this is your homework. Write it in notebook.